An affordable case at less than £3 on the AliExpress app. A few drinks and the AliExpress app having one-click purchase enabled. It's a slippery slope, and this is our Tech Travel Geeks review of the Ebaicase for the POCO X3 NFC. Right then, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist, and after a few drinks, I ended up ordering this very affordable case for the POCO X3 NFC on AliExpress. Now obviously the POCO X3 NFC is a lovely, lovely device. It's a nice chunky bit of plastic, which I would prefer not to have damaged, especially with that protruding camera module that it has on the back. So to do that, I purchased this case, and Ebaicase is a pretty trusted brand at this point. I've ordered quite a few cases from them. They arrive in relatively good time from China, and at that price you can sort of afford to have maybe 3-4 cases for the price of one on Amazon in the UK. So to protect the POCO X3 NFC, I got one, and let's just clip it in. It fits perfectly. So nice, good, sturdy feel. On the side we have that cutout for the fingerprint scanner power button, which works perfectly well, no issues there. It's really fast, so no degradation there. Volume rocker seems to work as expected, and on the left hand side there's nothing there. Let's have a look at the cutouts at the top of the case and take that Rodney fluff away. So we have an infrared blaster, microphone hole, and another microphone hole, and at the bottom all the cutouts for the courage port, USB Type-C port, and speaker grill and extra microphone. So no issues with cutouts. The screen is not covered in any way by the case, which is good. And on the back of the device we have a nice orange pleather finish. So this is plastic leather. It is nice and soft, it has a bit of give to it, but it doesn't stop protecting your device. And you can see that that camera module, whilst not perfectly recessed within the case, is much more protected than it would be if you were using this device without a case. So well done to Ebaicase. This seems to be a good case for the POCO X3 NFC. It is quite slimline, it adds very little in terms of bulk to an already chunky device. So I quite like this. Plus that orange pleather finish is very standouty. I think I have a pair of Converse to match these, so great stuff there. So we'll be leaving a link in the description so that you can purchase this case from AliExpress. Bear in mind that there are various discount codes and cashback schemes that you can use with AliExpress, but as I purchased this case for the POCO X3 NFC, it was less than £3 sterling, so less than $4, and that was with free shipping. Shipping did take a week or two, but once it arrived, I think this was a worthwhile purchase. And you might see this in our full review of the POCO X3 NFC coming up here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. For now, thank you for watching, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Goodbye for now.